Hi, my name is Albert. I will show you how to move your personal configuration files from Wireshark to a brand new installation where you don't have the personal settings. First, locate your files under folders. Here you will find your personal configuration settings. Go to the folder, copy the whole thing. I did that already, not to lose time, and here is my brand new installation of Wireshark. By the way, it doesn't matter what version you are using. If you check now, you have only in the preliminary installation the default profile without the nice display filters and profiles. I copied already the files. This is how it looks original. This is my copy, which I showed you before. Now, take the whole bunch . That is the location of the personal configuration files, which you may find here. Help, About Wireshark folders. Let's go back to it and paste the whole settings. Now, if you restart Wireshark, you can see all the settings from your previous installation, which you configured professionally, I suppose. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe or like it. Thank you very much. Bye.